Hi there! All Minecraft worlds shown in this video were generated using Arnes. This video is a quick guide on how to use it. You can download the tool from arnesmc.com. Go to the download section, which brings you to our official GitHub repository where we release our updates. Arnes transforms locations from the real world into playable Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition worlds by processing geospatial data. With this tool you can generate any place on Earth. When you open Arnes, you can see two sections. Choose your area on the left by either zooming and navigating to your location or by entering the name. Then, use the rectangle tool to select the area you want to generate. Using the marker tool, you can set your spawn point. Click on Choose World and Generate New World. If you want to customize your generation, open the settings. There you can select, for example, to only generate terrain, pick your language, or choose a different map theme. Now you are ready to click on Start Generation. Arnes now builds your chosen area within minutes or even seconds. Every house, tree and street is recreated in Minecraft. After your generation is completed, you will see a preview of the generated map. You can zoom in and adjust the transparency to take a first quick look. Now if you open Minecraft, you will find a new world. Join it and you will see your generated location. Arnes tries to generate everything as realistic as possible. Nature, big cities, historical landmarks or your hometown. Everything is recreated based from open geospatial data. If you have chosen Bedrock before starting your generation, Minecraft Bedrock Edition will automatically start and import the world as soon as it's ready. Alternatively, you can find the generated MC world file in the same folder where Arnes is located. You can then share the world file with your friends or explore the world on your own. If you want to make changes to your selected area, you can either delete the area and spawn point using the removal tool, or use the Edit tool to change the boundaries. Arnes is open source, which means it's available for free and everyone can contribute to the project by helping out with the development. I work on this project for free in my spare time. You can buy me a coffee if you would like to support my work. You can also join our Discord community. All links are in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more of this project and want to stay updated about new features.